Hey everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today, I'll show you how to activate Vagaro Livestream and host a virtual session. By offering services or classes through Livestream, you can expand your reach around the world and even host multiple streams at once. Let me show you how it works. We'll start by navigating to Settings, then select Livestream. This is one of the premium features in Vagaro. Each Livestream license will add an additional $10 to your monthly bill. We'll select Get Started to activate the feature. With one license, we can stream one session at a time. If we want to stream more sessions at the same time, we can add more licenses for an additional $10 each. If we enable Vagaro Drive, we can record and save our live stream sessions to our business account. We can select a storage plan that works best for our business needs. Once finished, we'll select Save at the bottom of the screen. With Livestream enabled, we'll navigate to our Service and Class menu. For any services that are offered via Livestream, we'll select the service, enable the Livestream option, then select Save. This way, we can specify which services are offered via Livestream and which ones are offered in-house. For classes, we can set an in-house price and a Livestream price. Depending on how customers attend, Vagaro will charge them accordingly. Remember to save changes between editing each class. Once we have finished configuring our Service and Class menu, we'll navigate to the calendar. We'll select a date and open time frame and add a new class. We'll select a class name, confirm the instructor, and set an in-house and Livestream capacity. Depending on our settings, our class can be in-house or Livestream only, or offer both. We can use the repeat options to schedule multiple classes on a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. Once finished, we'll select Book. Livestream appointments or classes will display a camera icon. With the class scheduled, attendees can join online. If we offer both in-house and Livestream attendance, customers can select either option, then complete their booking. To start a Livestream session, we'll select the appointment or class on our calendar. We can select Start Video under Change Status or at the bottom of the dropdown. Vagaro will launch the session in a new tab and we can configure video and audio settings. We can set the source for our speaker, microphone, and camera. We can also enable or disable these settings by selecting the camera and microphone icons underneath the preview window. Below, we can enable the option to record our session and restrict different features for our attendees. To the left, we can activate instructor-only mode so attendees can only hear and see the instructor but not other attendees. If we disable this switch, we can allow our attendees to interact with each other, including the ability to share audio, video, chat, and their screen. The instructor and attendees will have the ability to blur their background to provide additional privacy. We can remove background noise, which can help if our session is taking place in a noisy environment. Finally, we have the ability to share device audio, which we can use to play background music from our device. For classes, only the instructor can share device audio. The ability to remove background noise and share device audio are only available through Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Finally, we can select Mirror My Video to flip our video feed. Once we have configured our settings, we'll select Start Class. Our attendees will be able to configure their own settings and join. During the Livestream session, we'll see a progress bar along the top of the screen, indicating how long our session has been and how much time remains. Along the bottom, we'll see the feed from our attendees along with a list of controls. We can change the view, share our screen, start or stop the recording, blur our background, enable or disable our camera and microphone, access the chat, view a list of attendees, and adjust our Livestream settings. Through the list of attendees, we can select the Action menu next to a customer to mute their mic, disable video or chat, or select their name to pull up their profile. Through the settings, we can adjust our own video and audio sources and restrict features for our attendees. Once we are finished with our session, we'll select End Class. If we recorded the session, we'll be able to enter a name and description for our video, then save it to Vagaro Drive. Once the session has ended, we can process checkout for all attendees. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.